Did you know that the average traveler wastes over 3 hours per trip due to poor packing and disorganization? Or that most people drink 40% less water than they should during flights, making jet lag worse and recovery slower? It's time to change the way you fly. In this video, Travel Secrets, Unlock Flight Comfort with Genius Carry-On Hacks, we're diving deep into the art of travel. From packing like a pro to creating your own first-class comfort kit, we've got tips and tricks that will transform your in-flight experience. Say goodbye to travel stress and hello to smooth, enjoyable journeys. We'll show you how to turn your carry-on into a powerhouse of comfort and convenience. Whether it's tech gadgets that keep you connected, fashion tips that blend style with comfort, or hydration hacks that keep you refreshed, we've covered it all. So buckle up and get ready to fly smarter, not harder. Join us as we unlock the secrets to making every flight your best one yet. 1. Compact Mastery, the art of packing a carry-on. Packing a carry-on is like playing a game of Tetris. Every piece must fit perfectly. Did you know that the average traveler uses only 60% of what they pack? To maximize space, start with a list of essentials. Roll your clothes instead of folding them, which not only saves space but also reduces wrinkles. Use packing cubes to organize items by category: clothing, electronics, toiletries. This strategy makes it easy to find what you need without disrupting the order of your bag. Here's a pro tip: wear your bulkiest items on the flight. This trick frees up considerable space in your luggage and keeps you prepared for any temperature changes. Another surprising fact is that a pair of shoes can hold items like socks or chargers, utilizing every possible space. Consider a digital luggage scale too. It's a lifesaver, ensuring your bag stays within the airline's weight limit. Ever heard the saying, "He who would travel happily must travel light"? Antoine de Saint-Exupéry was not kidding, and his advice still holds true today. Tech-savvy skies, essential gadgets for a smooth journey. Traveling in today's world means staying connected. A portable power bank is a traveler's best friend, capable of keeping devices charged throughout a long flight. Statistics show that over 70% of passengers use electronic devices during their flights. Invest in a high-capacity, lightweight power bank to avoid dead batteries. Another indispensable gadget is a multi-country adapter. This small device ensures you can charge your electronics no matter where your adventures take you. Noise-canceling headphones are a game-changer for creating a personal sound bubble in noisy environments like airplanes. According to a study, noise-canceling headphones can reduce stress and increase personal comfort during flights. Also, don't forget a Kindle or e-reader. They can store thousands of books in a slim, light device, perfect for the voracious reader on the go. Remember this quote from Lao Tzu: "A good traveler has no fixed plans and is not intent on arriving." It's about the journey, and these gadgets make it a bit more pleasant. 3. Comfort Kits. DIY your way to first-class comfort. Who says you can't have luxury in economy class? Start with a soft neck pillow, not the inflatable kind, which are less comfortable. Add a silk eye mask to block out cabin lights. These items make a huge difference in your ability to rest. Include earplugs to mute the noise of the engines and chatter, which can disrupt sleep. According to sleep experts, maintaining a routine and creating a familiar sleep environment, even on a plane, significantly enhances the quality of rest. Pack a small pouch with essentials like lip balm, hand lotion, and a face mist to combat the dry air in the cabin. Did you know the average humidity on planes is less than 20%? That's drier than the Sahara Desert. Staying moisturized is key to feeling fresh upon arrival. Finally, add a few essential oil scents like lavender or peppermint. A study found that lavender oil can significantly reduce flight anxiety and enhance overall travel comfort. Remember, it's the little comforts that add up to a much more enjoyable flight experience. 4. Snack Smart. Nutritious mini meals to boost your energy. Ever find yourself starving on a flight but reluctant to indulge in airline food? Packing your own snacks can be a healthy and satisfying alternative. Choose snacks like almonds or walnuts, which are packed with protein and healthy fats, helping you feel full longer. A study from the University of Michigan suggests that frequent travelers who snack on nuts report better overall health outcomes than those who opt for processed snacks. Dried fruits are another great option, offering a sweet fix without the added sugars of airplane desserts. Combine them with nuts to balance the natural sugars with proteins. Remember, maintaining your blood sugar levels is key to avoiding those travel mood swings. Yogurt-covered raisins or homemade granola bars can also be convenient and tasty. They're easy to pack and don't require refrigeration. For something more substantial, try whole grain sandwiches with peanut butter or lean meats. They're simple to prepare and carry, and they provide a good mix of carbs, protein, and fats. According to nutritional experts, meals balanced in macronutrients aid in maintaining energy levels and improve overall satiety during long travels. Remember this bit of wisdom from Michael Pollan: don't eat anything your great-grandmother wouldn't recognize as food. It's a good guide for choosing travel snacks that are both wholesome and delicious. A fashion flyer: stylish yet comfortable travel outfits. Travel doesn't mean sacrificing style for comfort. The key is choosing fabrics that are soft, stretchy, and breathable. Cotton and bamboo are excellent choices as they allow your skin to breathe, which is crucial in fluctuating cabin pressures and temperatures. A survey by Travel Plus Leisure found that 65% of travelers prioritize comfort over style, but why not have both? Layering is also vital. A lightweight, stylish jacket or cardigan can be easily removed if you overheat. Pair this with a comfortable pair of leggings or joggers that won't restrict your movements during a long flight. Comfortable footwear is imperative. Opt for slip-ons or sneakers that can handle long airport corridors without causing discomfort. Accessorize smartly with a scarf or pashmina, which can double as a blanket when it gets chilly. According to fashion experts, accessories like these not only add a pop of style but also serve multiple purposes, making them perfect for travel. Coco Chanel once said, "Fashion is architecture. It is a matter of proportions." This principle perfectly applies to crafting travel outfits that look good and function well. A quiet zone: soundproof your space. The drone of engines and the chatter of fellow passengers can make it hard to relax or concentrate. That's where a good pair of noise-canceling headphones comes into play. These devices can reduce ambient noise by up to 70%, according to audio technology studies. They are a must-have for any traveler seeking a bit of tranquility. Earplugs are another simple yet effective solution. Opt for high-fidelity earplugs that reduce noise without muffling voices or announcements. For tech enthusiasts, apps that play white noise or soothing ambient sounds can also help create a personal quiet zone. These sounds are known to facilitate relaxation and even sleep by masking disruptive noises. A portable white noise machine might seem like a luxury, but it's a small, worthwhile investment for frequent flyers. It's been shown in sleep studies that consistent white noise helps individuals fall asleep faster and more deeply. Remember the words of Blaise Pascal: all of humanity's problems stem from man's inability to sit quietly in a room alone. Sometimes creating a bubble of serenity is all you need for a comfortable journey. 7 Hydration Station: staying refreshed at 30,000 feet. Staying hydrated on a plane is crucial, yet often overlooked. The air in the cabin is extremely dry, with humidity levels similar to a desert. Bringing a reusable water bottle is a smart move. You can fill it up at the airport once you pass security and ensure you have water whenever you need it. Drinking water regularly throughout the flight helps counteract the dry air and keeps your skin from getting dehydrated. Don't just stick to plain water. Hydration sachets or electrolyte tablets can add a hydration boost. These products replenish essential minerals lost during travel, which water alone can't replace. According to health experts, maintaining electrolyte balance helps improve energy levels and prevents jet lag symptoms. Also, avoid alcohol and caffeine on long flights as they can further dehydrate you. Carry a small, travel-sized facial mist in your carry-on. A quick spritz not only refreshes your skin, but also provides a moment of relaxation. Did you know that keeping your skin hydrated can help combat the fatigue commonly associated with air travel? So next time you fly, make your hydration a priority. As Leonardo da Vinci said, water is the driving force of all nature. 8 Entertainment Pack: curating content for the clouds. Long flights provide the perfect opportunity to catch up on your reading or binge-watch a new series. Before your trip, load your tablet or smartphone with various types of content. Ebooks, audiobooks, and podcasts are great because they don't take up physical space in your carry-on. A survey by the International Air Transport Association found that digital entertainment consumption on flights increased by 40% in the last 5 years. Curate a playlist of your favorite music or explore new genres. Music can be a great way to relax or get energized depending on your mood. If you're into movies or series, download a few episodes ahead of time, as not all planes offer Wi-Fi or might charge a high fee for it. Remember, preparation is key, and there's nothing worse than being stuck on a plane with nothing to entertain you. For those who love games, consider puzzle or strategy games that can be played offline. These can be a fun way to stimulate your mind and pass the time. Albert Einstein once remarked, "Play is the highest form of research." So let your long flight be an opportunity to play and learn simultaneously. In-flight fitness, stretch and mobilize in minimal space. Sitting in one position for hours can be tough on your body. Doing some simple stretches and exercises can help reduce discomfort and improve circulation. Try ankle circles, neck rolls, or shoulder stretches right in your seat. These movements help maintain blood flow and prevent stiffness. According to a study by the American College of Sports Medicine, light exercise improves overall comfort on long flights. Every hour, take a moment to stand up and walk down the aisle. This small activity helps stretch your legs and boosts circulation, reducing the risk of deep vein thrombosis, a common issue for flyers. For more privacy, use the area near the bathrooms to do a few standing stretches. Just a few minutes of movement can make a significant difference in how you feel during and after your flight. Remember to breathe deeply while stretching. Deep breathing increases oxygen flow and can also help reduce travel anxiety. It's like hitting a reset button on your body's stress response. As Joseph Pilates said, breathing is the first act of life and the last. Our very life depends on it. So keep moving and breathing, no matter how cramped your space might be.